Boundary off the last ball. What's to come off this delivery, I wonder? Misses everything. Needs a direct hit. Gone. Brilliant in the field.
An innings that promised much and really, in the end, delivered very little. Pretty disappointing all round.
And with that wicket, we'll see a change out in the middle. Sifa, whose first task is getting themselves settled.
Yes.
Great shot through the gap.
Well, not going to hang around, if that's any indication. Picking up 4 from your first ball.
Smith shouldn't be too worried about that last ball. They've got them playing their shots, just need to tighten their areas now.
Ooh, nice bowling.
Just threw the shots too early.
Yep.
That's gone.
Yeah!
Couldn't ask for an easier catch.
The trudge back to the pavilion. A disappointing display in the end for someone with such batting skills. This one goes down as a fail.
The field will come up now, you'd think. Pressure should definitely be on the new batter, who strides to the middle. They will be looking for another quick wicket. Collects that one, simple as you like, inside the ring. There'll be 1 run here for them. Some well-targeted bowling in that over. Certainly something to build on. Strokes it languidly away to the fence. A lovely shot.
That really wasn't a great delivery. Seen early, and it was dispatched with aplomb.
You can see how good this pitch can be for batting. You want the player coming forward, but it's a tight margin. Only a touch full and put away. Couldn't have hit that any better.
Fine placement and enough timing to get that ball away to the boundary.
Don't need to do anything special. Line and length is the key.
Ooh.
Confident appeal. Could it be? Couldn't have played that any better.
Yep.
Nice shot, runs possible.
Got forward well and was able to drive the ball. A lovely shot and good running.
A change to the complexion of this match. Got to get the new batter coming forward early, encourage. Them to drive and really attack the stumps.
Ooh. Maybe they didn't pick it up. Very late on the shot.
get that outside the ring field.
Hit that well off the back foot, but couldn't beat the field.
Yep. Mona! Go! Yes!
Picks the gap perfectly.
Overstepping, just a little too eager on that delivery.
Didn't keep the foot behind the line. Just a slight tweak to the run-up will sort it out.
Yep.
A real beauty. Just times it so well.
That went all the way up toward the grandstand for 4, driven away nicely.
Getting nicely settled at the crease now. Would have been really happy with that last shot.
Yep.
Wow, that's missed the lot.
Bowling.
Oh yes, the slow one beats the bat. Didn't pick it out the hand.
Yep.
Nice solid defensive shot.
That was a good slow ball. Picked up well though. Got that defensive shot in, nice and simple.
Yes.
Really good shot there. End of the over. The Knight Riders are 186 for 6. Smith, the right-arm medium bowler, is coming into the attack from the press box end.
Wait there. Yes.
They'll get at least one.
It was just a little bit wide, well picked up and guided nicely down towards third.
Yep. No.
It's easy runs there at this level when you stray a little down the leg side. Tucked it nicely off the pads for more runs.
Yes.
Great shot. At least one on offer.
That was a solid shot. Driven off the front foot. Fantastic cricket shot. Probably deserved more from it.
Yep.
Thick edge. Could be close.
They're fast between the wickets. Good fielding keeps it close though.
A wonderful delivery to get the edge. You've got to keep hammering away at that spot time and again. That's right out of the middle of the bat.
There's a lot to like about this innings. Excellent stroke play so far. That shot was all about power.
I'd like to see them aim for the top of off now. As a bowler, you've got to make them play on your terms.
Wait there. Yep.
Good piece of fielding to stop some runs. Could that be out? Looks so.
They find themselves 7 wickets down. It's about now you need someone to stand up and stick around at the crease.
With the fall of that wicket, the new batter comes out to the crease. They're quick to take guard and face up. The right-arm pace bowler is coming into the attack from the university end.
Yes.
Great work behind the stumps. Save some runs with that dive. That always looked like a total that would be tough to defend. They would have hoped to put up more of a fight, though. In the end, a very comprehensive victory.
Not sure which way this match was going at first, but it ended up being a pretty easy victory. Hope you enjoyed the coverage. See you soon.